Walking up to the pond now. We're fishing here. A lot of big fish in this pond usually. Hopefully I can get me one. It looks really weedy, so I'm gonna make sure my hook is hidden well from the weeds. So yeah, that Texas rig right there should hopefully get us a fish. There's one. There he is, first one of the day finally. It took a while. A little guy on the Texas rig. There he is. Little one on the Texas rig. Now I'm gonna switch to the wacky rig. See if I can't get any on that. I'll probably get more weed, so I might switch back. There's one. Uh-oh, boys. It's a little bit bigger. Okay, a little bit bigger than the last one. Came with a lot of weed, though. Jeez, man. Look at that. There he is, number 2 on the wacky rig this time. What was that? I hope I got that on video. I hope that was in the frame, dude. What the heck was that? Well, guys, that might just mean that I have to throw top water. There's one on the wacky. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh my. Oh, stay on, baby. Stay on. No, it broke off. No, I broke off. That was the dumbest thing I've ever done, dude. Why did I do that? Why did I try to pull it through the freaking 5 pounds of moss? Oh. Why would I do that? I know not to do that. You guys ever just choke when you have a big fish on? God, man. Well, I'm retying now. Getting the wacky on. And then I'm gonna grab a frog to bring with me. To switch up to, maybe. Alrighty. Let's get out there. Well, guys, this is about to get interesting because I am fishing a frog, mono, and not braid. So yeah, if I snap off, now it's not my fault, really. Probably still, yeah, definitely is still, but whatever. Oh, let's go! First cast, that bass drilled it. I just reset the clip, dude. No way. Let's go on the frog, baby. Freaking demolished it. Demolished it. That thing is gone. Look at that. Freaking gone, dude. Well, there's that one on the frog, guys. I'm gonna get a release of it. Took one twitch and he drilled it on my first cast with the frog. Try to get it above the leaves. Got him. Gotta keep him low. Oh yeah. Boom. Another bass on the frog, baby. Look at that. Look at that guy. Sun setting. Bass are biting on the frogs, baby. Ooh, a little splash at the end. I like it. There's one. Oh, got off. I couldn't keep the tension on him. It slipped out of my hands. Let's get a replay of that. Yeah, as you guys see, like it slipped out of my hand. I couldn't keep tension on it and it came off. Well guys, that was a pretty successful day other than the fact that I snapped off on a tank. So yeah.